Let's go over to the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, which asteroid is the deadliest of them all? NASA admits there's a chance that asteroid 2013 TX68 could smash into Earth. Asteroid TX68 could hit us in 2017 on September 28th. So I check. I'm like, hey, what's going on with Texas Asteroid 68? And the top stories are NASA has said the massive asteroid 2013 Texas 68 could smash into Earth. And NASA admits there is a chance 100-foot wide asteroid hurtling towards Earth could hit us. Oh, jeez. Alright, there you go. NASA admits there is a chance 100-foot wide asteroid hurtling towards Earth could hit us. No matter what, it's coming close and it's going to be an adventure. The thing is, I knew NASA admitted that it could hit us, but they admitted that. We're talking about Asteroid 2013 Texas 68. I thought about fear-mongering it up before with the title, giving a sensational title like this. I'll probably do it on this one. So if I did it and you came here and you learned this and you're mad, I don't care. Because NASA did admit there's a chance it's gonna hit us in more than a year. Humanity is expected to survive its close encounter with a space rock next week. But we're not out of danger just yet. Well, sweet. NASA has dramatically changed its mind about the risks posed by asteroid 2013 Texas 68, a 100-foot wide rock which is currently heading towards Earth. It said there's a chance it could plow into our planet next year when it makes another flyby. The odds are no more than 1 in 250 million. You got a better chance of dying on the highway, people. You got a better chance of the elevator not working and dropping you 12 floors to the ground and smashing you like human pudding. But whatever, If you're gonna get mad at me because I used a sensational title that they used, then go right ahead. I could have probably not used that title, but I did. And here you are. Here we are. Give me a hug, forgive me. So what do we know? We just don't know a lot about this weird-ass asteroid. There have been a lot of asteroids coming in the same time window of the 3rd to the 5th to the 8th. They found 2 on the same day they passed, and both passed at about 0.5 lunar distances, 0.6 lunar distances. There's a 1.1, 1.6. So it's like we had a whole pageant of Miss Texas 68 contenders during this window time span. Wonder what the grand finale's gonna be. Probably nothing. That happens most of the time with this shit, man. Asteroid Fight Club doesn't get as much fighting as you'd imagine from the title. Stay cool. Thor News presents. You're right, sir. Asteroids are close. That's right. Welcome to Asteroid Challenge Fight Club.
This is space. There's space all over the place.
I need your love. This is a Thor News presentation. Hit the button, baby. Okay, so asteroids, specifically asteroid 2013 Texas 68. I don't even know what's going on. I'm so confused, and I'm not even sure that any or all of the asteroid data isn't a hoax bucket to be dumped on our heads. Nobody wants to get the hoax bucket on their head. But it's like, why can't y'all put up a bunch of CubeSats in the asteroid belt and we can watch them fly by? Is that shit too hard for you? They were like, Texas 68 is gonna come close to Earth March 5th, but it's not gonna hit the Earth until possibly 2017. But don't worry. And I was like, oh, it was coming 0.44 lunar distance away. And it changed. It was like, okay, we nailed it now. We think we found it. Although none of the things say they found it again. Shows here on JPL the last time they even saw it was 2013, man. So they changed the orbit up to the 8th. And now it's 13 lunar distances away. When we look at the minimum distance, it says 0.0002 AU, which works out to be. And I was like, thank you, darling. So I'm looking for the latest articles on Asteroid Texas 68. Kim Commando Komodo Dragon, America's digital goddess. What does all that mean? I have no idea. What she says 3 days ago. NASA miscalculates asteroid Texas 68's flyby by 3 days. Just how close will space rock come to Earth? What? Is that sentence wrong? It should be just how close will this space rock, the space rock, come to Earth? It's missing a word, I think. Anyway, this is Justin Ferris speaking for the Kim Commando Komodo Dragon show or whatever. I'm confused. See, everything about Texas 68 is so confusing. It's always an event when a large asteroid comes anywhere near Earth. Actually, it's most often a non-event. Yeah, I've covered quite a few of these asteroids, Lady Justin. And, yeah. It's an internet article event. It's an online doom and gloom itch event. Whatever. We've all seen enough disaster movies to know what would happen when asteroids and the Earth collide. They're talking about asteroids and Earth. I thought we were just talking about one asteroid here. You know, not multiples. You know, BP's been saying it's a clump. That's why NASA tries to keep track of any large objects headed in Earth's direction. Doesn't NASA know? There's do not. There's no try, chump. See, Sith don't know anything. Really. Okay. Yeah, and they were saying Asteroid 2013 TX68 could hit Earth next year. Now, I think they might have changed their tone, but I don't know. Who knows? That's weird. They need an interpreter or some shit. That's why NASA tries to keep track of any large objects headed in Earth's direction. Even though it's a tough job, given how large space is. How large is space, lady? Space is all over the place. But how all over the place? Like, how deep and wide does all over the place go? I really want to know if I want to go crazy, 'cause that's probably one of the unknowables. Unless you're a scientist, then you can find out anything. You just pick a number and go with it. Make that shit up. Ain't nobody even know. Ain't nobody gonna verify where the final wall of the universe is. Like it's a quadrillion light years away. And there's just a giant brick wall there. And that's where the universe ends. What are you gonna do? Verify it, buddy? Unverify it? You can't unverify the end of the universe. You can't verify it either, really. But you can take a calculator and a degree, write a white paper, and win a Nobel Prize. That's why even when NASA picks up an object, it can sometimes get the details wrong. That's a weird sentence. That's why even when NASA picks up an object, you mean like a woman? Or a man? Or a rocket? You mean like climate change data? It can sometimes get the details wrong. That's what happened with the approaching Asteroid 2013 TX68. It's throwing off a lot of glare from the sun, and it's only the size of a blue whale, so it's a bit hard to see exactly what it's doing. No, they lost it, man. They totally lost it. They don't know where it is. And it's got condition code 8, which means they really they got some guesses. More of a guess, less of a theory. But I don't know, it depends on who you ask. It's like someone took a space dump of clumps, asteroid rocks. However, when it comes by again next year, it has a chance of hitting Earth. Dun dun dun. I smell a sensational title coming on. NASA admits asteroid could strike Earth next year, but I have to put that part in the title. That's what's funny. It's, oh yeah, I don't have to worry about the doom, cause that's not till next year, September, I do believe. So you get at least one more Halloween, you get at least one more Christmas, one more Thanksgiving. That's assuming we don't have World War III or global currency collapse. I'm rooting for neither. I'm planning for neither because you can't really plan for either one of those. I mean, if the world sucks so bad, you don't really want to hang around that much. I wouldn't think. And the sun's been acting weird, so I've been acting weird, and this video may be weird. So you'd be like, hey, Thor, are you in a tiny little box surrounded by giant jello people? And the answer's no. That's a weird question. But yeah. So we're just trying to figure out this asteroid, man. And this solar wind and stuff. Mix it and touch it and we'll see. Anyway, let's hope they can get a picture again. I'll keep you posted, maybe. Oh, let's go for space weather. What's up in space? What's weird space weather? 'Cause ain't no freaking everything about nothing. 'Cause there's see, that's a bunch of red and shit. It's a lot of red. It's a lot of pink. There's a little beige. On March 3rd, we had 2016. Everything's gravy. 28. Passed by 1.9 lunar distances. Also on the 3rd, we had 2016. Everything's kangaroo. 1.5 lunar distances. And then we had 2016 Dungeon Master. 5.9 lunar distances. Then also on March 3rd, we had 2016 DUI 1. Wait, what? We had 2016 Dolly Up 1, 13.1 lunar distance. And then on 4th, we had one 2016 Evangelism Legacy 1.6 lunar distances. The 5th, Everything's Groovy 1.1 lunar distances. The 5th, again, 2016 Dick Nuggets 2, 1.8 lunar distance. So yeah, we ain't got our big boy, Texas, whatever, this one. Highlighting's tough. We go to highlighting school, so I can highlight stuff. Okay, yeah, they changed that to March 8th, 13 lunar distance. But sounds like a pack, a swarm, a gang of asteroids, a clump. And last I heard, they lost it. They lost the asteroid. So how can they be changing everything if they haven't refound the asteroid? I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it could hit us 17 months. But that's like a year and a half away, so who has to give a crap, man? Who has to give a crap about real problems that we might face in a year and a half from now? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it could hit us in a year. And based on they don't seem to know shit about this and they can't even find it, they don't know nothing. We don't know nothing. So just stay tuned to this weird ass story. But yeah, we could all die in a year and a half or whatever. We could all die sooner from nuclear war or economic collapse or alien EMPs or fucking Disney lice, weaponized. Just crap shit, what happened?